There you go.
And we record.
Remember, armband jewelry is the pink flag. No band jewelry is the blue flag.
Gotta go POW.
Domination in 3, 2, 1, go!
Motherfucker!
Suicide Alley.
Cover, cover.
Armbands have taken the compound. POW camp is still neutral.
Yo, get it, get it, get it! Get it! Just fuck it, I'll get it.
No bands have taken the POW camp. Watch out for death rays exiting Suicide Alley. No bands have taken Suicide Alley.
I got both of them.
Get out of there. There's a guy who's coming out. Watch him, there's at least 2 or 3 in the center there.
Yeah, heard.
Hey, Trav. Guy coming in right here.
Okay.
Hey, no blind fire. You can't do that. Don't stick your gun around the corner.
There is no blind fire. You must be aiming at the sight while you are shooting.
Yeah, that's first. We don't do that. Hey, can you...
Remember, you must go all the way into your spawn building.
Bang, bang. That's a double, yo. That's a double. Don't even do that. I said bang, bang, man. Yo, do we have compound or no? Let's go compound, guys. Let's go.
Alright, hold on.
Where we at?
I almost died.
Hit. Andrew. I'm hit. I'm hit. Where are they? Hospital? Right there, yo, hospital. Bang. Bang bang! Go bang bang! Bang bang! Go go go! Bang bang! Bang bang! Peace, kid. Bang bang! Bang bang!
He got you.
Then why didn't you double it then?
Bang bang! Bang bang! Bang bang!
Watch out for net players. They can shoot that alley.
Yo, Andrew, wanna go compound?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, let's fucking try to get this shit.
There?
Yeah. Cause you can't run across, there's no way.
No, come on,
What?
If you're across, you'll die. Like, don't step out there. Don't step out. There's three of them.
They're all in the back corner.
Three of them with their sights on.
Yeah, they're
There's a guy right here too.
Yeah, you think I can't get him?
They're behind the barrel. They already have it. They got their feet on.
Hey.
Nope, I'm out of good gas.
Game over. Stop shooting. Armband win. Make sure you guys are down and out. Barrel socks on. Safety's on. On. And loading area.
Who won?
I don't know.